Stop by and take a look at the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather shift knob. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.